Here we go, everybody. We experienced this dump. Guys, we knew this was coming down. We knew that it was coming down one way or another. We finally got the move to the downside. I'm here to warn you and show you about an Elliott Wave count that is a very real possibility, and it looks like it's going to happen to me at least. I need to warn you so you don't get caught up in this junk. Watch this video all the way through. If you're new to the channel, join the Discord. It's linked in the description below. If you leverage trade, use MEXC. It's the best exchange. Also linked in the description below. I have a link for 10% off the lowest fees, $1,000 deposit bonus, no KYC, no VPN. It's what I use to trade, guys. So check it out, linked in the description below. And lastly, we're going to do caradno at the end of the video for homie here. Guys, comment below what asset, stock, crypto you want to see me do next. If I like your comment, I will chart it for you. I'm going to hit caradno real quick at the end of the video. So when you finish watching this, join the Discord, sign up for MEXC. Happy days. Let's get into this, guys. What count am I talking about that has a very real potential of occurring here, taking everybody out? It's a flat, guys. They call me the king of flats, and I'm the king of flats for a reason. I have an eye for these things. I'll call this a WXY. So this structure right here is what I am eyeing up as a potential flat, and it could be done here. We might have to roll over and hit one more time and then go. Either way, guys, on the higher time frames, everything is just so oversold. The 2 hours coming up. The hourly looks like it may want to come down, hit one more time, call this an ABC, hit one more time and go. That's neither here nor there. We'll see if we get another low. I will be longing this area if we do. But this looks like it wants to take off right now. We'll see what happens. As we all know, a flat is a corrective pattern up, corrective pattern down, and then an impulse to the upside, usually to our fib targets between 1272 and 1618. The 1-to-1 is also a target here. If it gets extended, it can hit to these upper targets, which I feel like it is going to get extended if this plays. So it will look something like this, and it will, let me draw it better, take out the liquidity here, take out the liquidity here, take out all your trend liners. They're drawing your trend lines, take all this out. Like, it will smoke everybody, and once everybody is destroyed, then it will make its way on down. So we are just simply correcting this initial wave, and it will took out the stops down here, come up, take out the stops up here, and then go. There's just too much liquidity here, too much liquidity here, too much liquidity everywhere, guys. I've been calling for a move like this since we were like right here. Up in here, I wanted to come up and take this out. There was just too much chilling here, and there's still too much chilling there. So we'll see what it wants to do. If this keeps rocking to the downside, if we put in a new low here and then spike up, if we put in a new low and don't spike up, and keep rocking to the downside, I would be shocked. But it can happen. We're prepared for it. But the move I am looking for is simply an absolute jam to the upside. We're going to take out all of our upside liquidity. Everyone's stop losses will get smoked. And it's the move that I'm waiting for. Once that's finished on a larger scale, so I'm just going to draw an ABC here that takes out the liquidity. That will be a finished correction. And we can either ABC correct to the downside more heavily like that, or impulse to the downside. You know where I stand, guys, long term. I say this whole thing's an A, B. We're going to see one more time to the upside like this. That's the count that I'm looking at here. On the daily time frame, when you see momentum like this, when you see all these divergences, massive, massive divergences on the chart, massive, you're looking for simply some type of a relief rally like this, maybe coming up like this, reset the daily RSI, get our momentum to cut up, and then a boom, and then we're just gonna hit to the downside. All right, let's move on to Cadena real quick for big homie. Guys, Cadena, I mean, look at how flat this thing was. So when Bitcoin gets its up move, Cadena looks like it will get an up move to take out this liquidity, If that's the play, that's what you'd be looking for on Cadena. And then a correction to the downside, maybe to this liquidity zone here. Test this out, test all these levels out, and then maybe one more hit to the high like that. That's what I'm seeing for Cadena, brother. You know, and the crypto markets and Bitcoin, I see a storm brewing. I see everyone getting bullish. But once these levels start getting taken out here and these corrections are done, I really think it's going to be bad news for the crypto market and for Bitcoin. So just be cautious in the future, in the long term. But for right now, we could trade the crap out of this thing. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the Discord, linked in the description below. Mexi, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. I love you. Bye.